Hi, I am Pregncymatic, the kangaroo. We will now see a simple recipe for the 18th week of pregnancy in this video. In the 18th week, it is important to take foods that are rich vitamin C. Capsicum are rich in vitamin C. Its high folate content plays a crucial role in preventing birth defects and promoting the proper development of your baby's brain and spinal cord. Ginger capsicum gravy. Ingredients: capsicum 150 grams, onion 100 grams, tomato 150 grams, ginger garlic paste half a teaspoon, cinnamon, cardamom, jeera 1 teaspoon, turmeric powder 1/4 of a teaspoon, chili powder, dhania powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, oil 6 teaspoons, cashew paste 1 teaspoon. Ginger capsicum gravy. For the 18th week, let us see how to make this. First, heat oil in a deep bottomed pan. Saute capsicum for 2 to 3 minutes, then set it aside. Now, add cinnamon, cloves, cardamom, jeera and fry. Add chopped onion, fry until golden brown, then add ginger garlic paste, tomatoes, chili powder, salt, turmeric, dhania powder and cashew paste. Now, pour 1 tumbler of water, mix well, close the lid, and let it cool, then add capsicum and fried ginger. Mix thoroughly and serve with roti or rice. Ginger capsicum gravy, rich in vitamin C. Capsicum boosts your immune system, shielding you from illnesses and ensuring a healthy pregnancy. It is a great source of dietary fiber, aiding digestion and preventing constipation. And then, hope you liked the 18th week pregnancy recipe video from Pregncymatic. Pregncymatic, nurturing pregnancy and beyond.